Chris here again, and I just got some catching up and some explaining to do for you guys. So while I'm going over that, let me go ahead and grab the Vortex generator. I just got done glossifying it. We're gonna put some double-sided tape on there and throw it right back up on the car. So stay tuned. As I was wrapping my roof in the last video, if you guys haven't seen it, I'll lay it down in the description below. But it requires you to remove the rain drip mold. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's that little piece of rubber plastic on the edges of your roof. All of this, right? I broke all these little clips and I was unable to reattach my rain drip mold. So, and upon cleaning out my man cave, the garage, I had to park it outside. And if you guys don't know, where I live, it's super windy like all the time. It's like a curse. But what had happened was I went outside, parked it out there, came back to grab the car, and found this piece missing. Yeah, the wind stole it. After a countless little search, I could not find it. I went up and down the driveway, up and down the street, couldn't find it. And pretty much, I was out of luck. So I was missing this for a while. I posted on some forums, posted on some Evo and Lancer pages, local. Looked online. Online, they're going for about $95 to $110, and then depending on shipping, an extra up to $88. So you're looking at $150 for a little rubber piece. So long story short, nobody was getting back to me. There's one guy that was like for 75 bucks, but I wasn't willing to pay that. I looked up online for some junkyards, and believe it or not, there was a couple handful, maybe like 3 or 4 around the area. This is where we hit the jackpot. So our first trip, they had a 2012 and a 2017 Lancer. 1, they had the car. 2, was my first try going out there. 3, I was able to snag the part, and then 4, it only costed me $10, so I pretty much hit the jackpot in my case. So I spent $10 on something that would probably cost me $150, and I believe it comes unpainted too from the wherever I was gonna buy it from. Here is that $150 piece that I got for $10, so pretty much a steal. Hit the jackpot. Word to the wise, don't forget about the junkyards, you know? If there's one available to you, I highly suggest looking at one of those to try to get you your piece. So now all I gotta do is wait on the little plastic clips that I bought off of Amazon. So this is genuine OEM parts. Let's go ahead and crack this open because I really don't know what this is. Oh. Oh, I know exactly what these are. Let me show you guys what's going on right now. So I ordered these clips off Amazon. I'll leave them in the description below right here. So if you guys do break them, you know where to go. These are genuine OEM parts like I already showed you, and they're off of Amazon. Without further ado, let me show you guys how to replace these real quick. So there's actually gonna be 7 slots for you to put them in. There's a little cut right there, and there's a cut right there. And that's what identifies where the clip belongs. So you can see another one there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop one in, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And that's how it's gonna sit. So this doesn't move, and it's pretty solid in there. Flimsy end and pretty much a solid end. You're gonna find your next slot, so identified by the 2 little lines in here, 1 and 2. When you have it, there's gonna be a little hook on here. You want that hook to face towards you, and what it's gonna do is those 2 little lines, you're gonna line it up as so, and you're gonna hook it in and pretty much push, and that's not gonna go anywhere. So let me show you. Wish me luck. 6, 7. All right. There it goes. Back on the car. Doesn't look so ghetto anymore. Looks pretty good.